Do you want to learn how to design your custom Shopify theme in seconds? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So they just came out with this new feature where you can generate themes with AI. So I thought, why not try it out? It's inside sales channel on the left-hand side, inside your store and in themes. You just need to scroll down and you're going to find this box here which says design your store in seconds. So you need to describe your business to create unique themes with personalized content. So here I'm going to write in pet accessory store and generate themes. So as you can see, it has created us 3 of these themes here. Let's check out the first one, which looks the best out of the 3. These 2 don't look that good. The colors, I don't like it that much, but the first one I do like. So let's take a look at the demo of Clarity. I think it looks really good. It does look like a luxurious brand for pet accessories. Okay, now you can take a look at the second theme as well. I really do not like this theme. The colors of it is too bold. Header should have been black with white text and white logo here. Let's look at the third one. The text font, I do not like this upper text font. I really do not like this. This also does not match. Yeah, nope. I think the first one is the best. This one is the best one. Let's take a look at how it looks like on mobile. All right. Yep, this is probably the best one. Now you can close it or try the theme, and we clicked on try theme and it's now set as our current theme for our website. Now let's view our store. We can move around inside our store and the theme is set. All right, now let's take a look at one more example. Something like men's sneakers fashion store. Let's take a look at what it generates. Okay, now it generated 3 of these. And to be honest with you, I think I like all 3 of them. This one is again the best one. This looks good. Let's take a look at the second one. This looks like a luxury theme. It has that feeling to it. Let's take a look at the third one. This looks more geared towards women and not men. Yep. The pinkish and everything, even the picture that they have selected. All right. Now you can try the theme or close it from here. And that's it. That's how you can design a custom Shopify theme with AI in seconds with this new feature that they just came out with in Shopify. Did this video help solve a problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And also on the left hand side or the right, you're going to find a playlist. You can check out my other Shopify tutorials on it. And also you can check out my software tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.